Hey, MTS crew, what is going on, y'all? Hope it's all good in the neighborhood. Y'all, I'm getting ready to make some cauliflower rice. If you ever had any cauliflower rice, let me know down below. Rice is very simple to make. I'm going to use 100% grapeseed oil, and these are my seasonings that I'm going to use: rosemary, salt, beef base. You can use chicken base, garlic powder. We're going to use the Tabitha Brown seasoning and some rosemary mixed herbs. We're going to use celery, bell pepper, onion, and mushroom, y'all. This rice is so delicious and it's so easy to digest. I like to use this rice rather than using sometimes regular rice because it's just sometimes hard to digest, and this rice is delicious. It's what you make out of it. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to stir fry these vegetables and get these vegetables broken down. Then I'll go ahead and after the vegetables are broken down, I'll go ahead and add my rice, which I've already done here. And I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of beef base. You can use chicken base, beef base, whatever kind you want to use. You can just use no beef flavoring, and you can add you a little salt. So this rice is absolutely delicious. If you want to add you maybe some chicken in it, if you want to add some ground turkey in it, you can fix it up any kind of way you want to, just like you do your regular rice. You can make fried rice, like a Chinese fried rice. You can do that. You can break an egg in it and you can make the stir fry rice. But this rice is so good and so tasteful, and I absolutely love it, just like it is, y'all. So y'all just let me know down below if you have ever used cauliflower rice. And this rice is very light, and that's what I like. And it's made out of the vegetable cauliflower. So what I did, we ordered some wings out, and so I have some teriyaki wings, and so I just added my teriyaki wings with this rice, and we had a good dinner with a full salad, a chef salad. And this meal was absolutely delicious, y'all. So there it is with my teriyaki wings and my rice, and I fully enjoy this whole meal. So y'all go ahead and try this cauliflower rice and let me know how you like it. Thank you. Like, share, and subscribe.